new just listed home, 4014 Ashford Green Place, Unit G103, Tampa, Florida, by Judy Avellaneda from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath ground floor condo with 933 heated square feet offers functional living in a desirable setting. Featuring an open concept design that connects the main living areas, this condo is perfect for comfort. The well-equipped kitchen seamlessly complements the living space. The 2 bedrooms offer privacy with a split layout, both boasting new carpeting and generous closets. The 2 well-appointed bathrooms ensure ample facilities. Enjoy an in-unit washer and dryer, a private patio with pond views, and the community pool. Best of all, this condo is within walking distance to the University of Florida, offering the perfect blend of comfort and low-maintenance living. Don't miss this unique chance.